by streaming or winning tournaments, and you get less than 300 FPS. Listen up. Anyone who's serious about getting the edge over their opponent needs every advantage they can get right now. Where AMD is a GPU king for pro people, and NVIDIA is a king for pro gamers and streamers. There's obviously the exceptions, but NVIDIA is usually the top. Yeah, so AMD has got value, but NVIDIA has a reward for people who pay the price. Get the best system possible. Come across this problem, stuttering in vital moments. That is very much fixed with a great GPU, great CPU. That's all you need. 50x 3D. That's what you need if you're a streamer. You obviously don't need it, but it'll help you a lot in the long run. As I say there, if you make money with a PC, treat it as an investment, right? It'll make your video quality better, your stream quality better. It'll make you play the game without any issue in the world. Especially if you play a game like Warzone, that's going to use a lot of CPU and GPU power. And the argument for you don't need such an expensive computer kind of goes out of the window if you're playing games like Warzone and Escape from Tarkov, which are very, very, very fucking demanding, right? So there's also DLSS and ray tracing. You may care about that, you may not, but realistically, it's NVIDIA if you wanna use those, right? RTX 4090. You can also get away with the 4080 Super. I would, if you are making money with a PC. If you are making money with a PC, on the RTX 4070 Ti Super, not the 4070 Super. The 4070 Super has 12 gigs of RAM. This is 16. That's going to be very, very fucking useful. And then I've already glossed over that, right? The last thing you want is when you're playing the game, or whenever you're in a really tight situation, you don't want to be stuttering. You don't want the frame times to go up and down like that. That is how you lose. I'm not gonna lie. So, also one other thing. Frame times. Much better than FPS, right? So much better. Because, actually, it's a boring explanation. I'm trying to make this easy enough to understand, right? So yeah, again, like I said earlier rather, 4090 versus 4090 is like 50% faster. It's just so worth it. Right. And that's the thing, like, people think, they can buy a PC and keep it for fucking 10 years, right? They can't do that. That's not how the world works. Alright, so that's a very silly little graph, but it shows that FPS does go down as time increases, right? So now, where the fuck do you go from here, right? You hear all this information thrown at you, but you don't know what to do. Click my link here. That was a very, very shameless plug, I'm not gonna lie, but I would teach you all of this in an even simpler way, customized to you, if you just book a call right here. For one person, I'm making it free for everything else. I only have a few spots. I have like 5 available spaces, and you can book a free call if you want me to go over your PC build and instruct you on everything you need to know. If not, just subscribe. Thanks for watching.